Slash your monthly expenses. Now in 3 simple steps. Struggling to keep up with monthly bills? You're not alone, but reducing your expenses doesn't have to be painful. Today, let's explore some simple ways to save money without sacrificing your lifestyle. Welcome to the Millennial Financial Times, your go-to source for practical financial tips and strategies. First, start by identifying your non-essential expenses. Take a hard look at those subscriptions, dining out habits, and impulse buys. You'd be amazed how cutting back on just a few of these can make a big difference in your budget. Next, it's time to negotiate. Call your service providers, cable, internet, insurance, and ask for a better rate. You'd be surprised how often you can lower your bills just by asking. Finally, find cheaper alternatives for the services and products you use. Switch to generic brands, shop around for better deals, and consider DIY options. These small changes can add up to big savings. Ready to cut costs? Start with these tips today and watch your savings grow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-saving strategies. Thanks for watching. Check out millennialfinancialtimes.com for answers to all your pressing financial questions.